Welcome back to Fresh Spec. Today we got some new parts for Brendan's car. What we got here is an oil cap, little Mugen one. We got a reservoir, coolant reservoir, brand new. This goes like that. We'll install that. And then we got a radiator cap because this one is clapped out. So Brendan's gonna be showing you guys how to do that. And this is why we're replacing that. You wanna go ahead and grab that? Pull up. Go ahead and toss it, bruh. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get into it. So, Brendan's gonna put his new coolant reservoir on. You got these little grooves, which you have on the back side right there. So go ahead and put those grooves into those and it should be installed. Boom, perfect. Then you're gonna swivel this because you have your hose right here, right? You're gonna put this onto there. There you go. Boom, installed. Look how fresh that looks. Look good? Uh-huh. All right. So, it's brand new, you ain't got no fluid. Ooh, that is fresh. All right, so you're gonna have to top it off. So you got your max right there, you see it? That's where you're gonna fill the coolant up to. See that little line?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're gonna fill that up. Let's get some coolant. That should be enough. Let's get you a funnel. Help you out. All right, go ahead. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. You see it? You see it? It's almost at the line. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Wow, that was a perfect amount. Good job. First coolant fill. I'll take that. I'll take that. Go ahead, put the cap on. Like so, tighten it. That's good. Bam. You nailed that like a split hole, man. Shoot, why, buddy? All right, on to part two. New oil cap. Go ahead, take the old one off. All right, put your new one on. Very good. Mugen power. Nice little addition. See, it's already coming together. So you can get this on eBay. I got a little set, this, that, and the battery tie down, which we're gonna show you guys. That was like 20 something bucks. All right, go ahead and take your coolant cap off, your radiator cap. Oh, nice, very nice. Looks like you need a radiator flush, bud. That's another day. Get these new parts on. Yeah, so you got a groove. See the grooves? And then that goes into the grooves there. You push down and turn. Perfect. And it's installed. So we have this. This is just a cap. So this goes onto here like that. Makes it look a little fancy. But you have these little holes for the screws to tie in onto your actual coolant cap. So right here comes the Allen wrench and these little guys right here. Can you see that? Okay. So Brennan, put this. Hold the camera. Get these in for you, then you can tighten them. And you get 2 of them on each side. This is eBay. It's cheap, but I'm just trying to look fresh. Right, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. First fail of the day. Grab it, bruh. Alright, round 2. Tighten it up. I'm gonna hold it this time. Alright, now the other side. Nope, other way, bro. You're loosening it. This guy. Feel it getting tight or no?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, dang, that thing's on there. Alright. My leg's cracking. Don't mind that. So, we got that on. Got the new radiator cap on with cover. So I just made Brennan a custom battery tie down. On the EFs, it usually has a stock one, which it didn't come with. Just come over here. Usually there's a stock one that holds the battery from this side. But yeah, didn't come with one. So I had a bungee cord and we didn't like that. So this is a whole set for like 22 bucks on eBay. And what I did was a little bracket right here, which goes to a 10 that's under the battery. And yeah, I made it work. Battery ain't going nowhere. So yeah, he has a battery tie down now. And yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, you can put this back on, Bryn. Actually, wait. We're gonna take this header cover off, sand it, and paint it. Yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, let's do that. Let's go. All right, we're back. Brendan's gonna take these 12s. You got 4 12s, and this whole heat shield should come off. Let's take your dipstick out. Check your oil, of course. Looks pretty darn good. Put that right there. All right, go ahead, take those 4 12s off. Go ahead, hit the button. Pull it up. All right, now the cover should come off. just like so. Bruh, is that a fat crack in the header? No way. Well, guess you're gonna need some of these. Gonna need some big boy headers, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What the heck? 36 years, that'll do it. Wonder if it leaks though, or is it just like a hairline? We will find out in a moment. All right, we're gonna see if this leaks. Go ahead and start it, Bren. Oh yeah, it leaks. Turn it off. Damn. Oh, you're missing a lot of your power right there, bruh. It's leaking. Your header is leaking. And I don't think there's no way in heck we're gonna find a stock header for this thing, bruh. That means we gotta go either carb legal or illegal. Dang. I kind of felt it when I was driving. I was like, dude, this thing feels a little sluggish. And there it is. Fat crack in the header. Well, another thing we gotta fix, guys. But we wouldn't have known that unless we took this off. Oh, you can see too, guys. So that dark mark right there, that's where all the exhaust is shooting out. We wouldn't have known that if we didn't take that off until it got way worse and started making it loud. We're gonna sand this and paint this, throw it back on for now, and then we'll figure out a header. Or a legal one, we'll see. So we'll be painting Brennan's header cover with this right here. Going that aluminum look. Got his mask on. He already sanded it. Shake it, spray it. Dry, do one more coat, call it a day. All right, first coat is on. It's looking good. I think it just needs one more. All right, hit it. Not so close, bruh. It looks brand new. All right, let that dry. Be done deal. All right. Make sure your bolts are tight. So what I did was, here's a crack right here. The hole is a lot bigger, so I got a couple washers. Trying to find some clean 12s. The other ones are rusted. Yep, that's tight. I'll tighten that one. That's good. Make sure that middle one's tight. Yeah, that's good. All right, grab your dipstick. And final product. They're waiting on you, bro. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. This, bro. There. Bam. There you go. There it is. All brand new. So we'll get an aftermarket header, but for now we're just going to keep this on even though it does have that crack. And then once we get our smog, we'll put the aftermarket one, put this one away till smog comes again, swap it, and yeah, till we get a swap. Might be that swap into this, but that will be down the road. Future. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Oh, you still got that piece? Throw it on for the ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Those rods here. Help you with that. Bam. Line up the holes. Grab your hardware. Dude, this thing's coming along. So in the next video, we will be doing probably the valve cover, because I did get the new studs for this. This one's broken. So we will take the valve cover off, paint this, and then see how that looks. And then I'm gonna get some new spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and then we'll probably end up painting this to match this to make it look close to brand new, huh? Mm-hmm. I mean, that's looking really good, bruh. You knocked that out of the park. Kind of goes with the chrome, little chrome going. Man. All right, it's gonna do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. We got one more install for you guys. This is gonna be an antenna delete. See that? Two screws, bam. And then this will be all flush like that. So when he's done with that, I'll have him bust that out. All right, so Brendan's gonna take these screws off, Phillips screwdriver. Precision, flawless. I'll take that. This one's already starting to get rounded, so we'll keep this one. It's still good. This one looks a little rounded, so we'll use this good one and that one. Pop this out. The washer. So we still got the antenna in here. That way we still have radio. Just clean this up a little bit. Nice little surface for our new install, right? Mm-hmm. This is gonna go right here. Go ahead. Looking good. All right, now go the other one. Other one. There you go. All right, hit the other one. Very good, very good. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Good job. Sign us out. Let's go.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
It's got a little cold. He's good. All right, guys. See ya in the next one. Let's go.